Hey guys, this is Northville Tech. In this video, we're going to learn how to view your account activity on First Merchants Bank. If you don't have a First Merchants Bank account, we will put our affiliate link in the description below for you to sign up and get a $50 MasterCard reward card when you open a personal checking account or auto loan. However, if you already have an account, open the website firstmerchants.com, then sign in with your login ID. Now, enter your password, then click on Sign In. Once you're signed in, you will see several tabs at the upper part of the screen. Click on Accounts tab. On the drop-down list, you will see an option that says Account Activity. Click on Account Activity. Here you will see the list of your account activities. That's how you view your account activity on First Merchants Bank. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos related to financial apps almost every day. Also check out our website northvilletech.com for great tech articles, and our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.